Welcome to Westman. To get the most out of your experience, we encourage you to sign up for a My Westman account, the hub to manage your account online. This video will give a quick walkthrough to show what the features include. To get started, go to mywestman.westmancom.com. Here you will be asked for your login credentials. If you don't already have an account, click to sign up. Then enter your preferred email address and password to get started. Ensure your password meets all the requirements listed, then press Continue. To confirm your Westman account, you'll need to enter your first name, last name, and account number. Once your details look accurate, click the Submit button. To match your identity as the primary account holder, you may be asked some additional questions. Once you've provided this information, click Submit. That's it. You're done. You should now have a My Westman account. With your account, you have the freedom to view or pay a bill, access your webmail, view a digital statement, and manage your services easily and conveniently online. My Westman has a few other convenient options that can be accessed with the click of a button, including accessing your webmail account. Two other buttons can be found under the four primary buttons. Here you can start to use some of the benefits of being a Westman member. Click the Watch WCG TV Online button to access your online account. Once logged into WCG TV Online, you can view live and on-demand WCG TV content. The next blue button to the right, labeled Westman Go Apps, leads to your Watch TV Everywhere account. A benefit of being a Westman member means you can watch your TV subscriptions anywhere, anytime. To learn more about Go Apps, go to Westman Go Apps under the television section of our website. This concludes the My Westman walkthrough.